Okay, thank you for coming on time, Diki. I will share my screen. Anyway, do you have question? Lesson? A review lesson, maybe? No problem.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Do you already finish your homework?
Yes, I have.
Okay, good. Can you show to me? Can share your screen? Is it hard, the homework, or easy?
Assignment. Is it this one? So, okay, let's.
Let's see. Mau gambar apa? Let's start with Indonesia. Maaf, belum ada Indonesia. Why?
I don't know. Maybe try uppercase.
Bendera Indonesia. Oh, you should using
Hmm?
hmm, bendera dot lower. It should have parenthesis dalam kurung gitu. Setelah lower.
Oh yeah, like this.
Yeah, let's try again. And then Indonesia.
No,
Hmm,
I clicked the wrong.
actually lower than it this again, so you can just like bendera dot lower. Let's remove the variable of bendera in a line seconds.
What? Like, what do you mean?
Yang baris kedua, coba bendera sama dengannya dihapus. Jadi tinggal bendera titik lower gitu. Coba. Bendera sama dengan Indonesia. Itu typo tuh. Hanya Indonesia, Indonesia.
Oh yeah.
Indonesia. Let's try again.
Uh, uh, Oddly
Nice.
enough, it doesn't want to begin fill or end fill.
You should add before begin fill. Oh,
Okay.
you forgot to add this parenthesis after an underscore fill.
Okay.
Ini.
Oh, finally! So that was the problem.
Okay, nice. Submit and continue.
I tried so much.
Nice. How about this exercise? Do you already did this?
What? I haven't done this.
Okay. Wait. mm,
What's turtle dot turtle?
What turtle? Okay. So actually, uh, it should create quiz mathematics, and if your answer is true, then the turtle will draw green circle. That is wrong. The turtle will draw red circle.
I know, but why is all of it like have lingkaran, 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 and then there's turtle dot turtle?
Oh, okay. Actually, because we connected the turtle, a new turtle.
Huh?
Jadi kayak gini, turtle itu kan suatu modul ya, modul. Modul itu file terpisah. Sebenarnya kita punya banyak cara untuk mengkoneksikan. Nah, ini tuh salah satu cara yang lain. Tapi kamu boleh hirauin aja. Coba di refresh. Try to refresh. Nah, dia akan hilang. Tadi kayaknya typo aja. Oke. Nah, tapi because in this material we should learn a new materials, so you can continue this exercise outside our class.
Oh,
Then
okay.
we continue to next level.
So
Okay?
I stop here.
Yeah. Okay, so we already learned about the selection condition, and in this class we will continue still about selection condition, but we have a new type. Okay. Our agenda for today is we will learn about the complex selection condition, and then multi-branch selection condition, and then we will practice like usual and also have mini project. Okay. What kind of project that we will create? We will create like this. So maybe if we in some games, no, in a sum game, we have a point and we have like kind of level. If our point is 14, then the level is rocky. If our point is more than 900, our level will be master and others. Okay. So what is the difference about the last lesson? I will tell you the specific the function of the types selection condition. But why we should learn about the type of data nested. Nested itu bersarang. Yaitu karena, jadi kita, we will learn two types. The first one is nested, the second one is multi-branch.
The second one is what?
Multiple branch.
Oh,
Bercabang. Kalau yang pertama itu bersarang, yang kedua itu bercabang. In
okay.
English, we call nested selection condition and multiple branch selection condition.
Okay.
Okay. And about the structure of the code, it's still using if, but inside if we have if again. We can just using if, or we can just have if and else. Okay.
Okay.
But you should make sure that every else have if. But if we have if, that's okay. We don't have else. And if and else have the same apa ya namanya, sejajar. Okay, you should make sure that this else pairs with this if. Jadi yang berpasangan itu harus selalu sejajar. This else will be paired with this if. So it means if this condition is true, So the code it will be run this if again. But if this condition is false, so the code will be run this else. Okay.
Okay.
Nah. Hmm. I will give you the example. So, perbaiki kode di bawah ini sehingga mendapatkan hasil seperti berikut. Pengguna diminta memasukkan nama. This one. So, it's already correct. And then, apabila pengguna merupakan pemain baru, maka program akan menampilkan selamat. Anda mendapatkan poin 1000. So, if after name, we should have pemain for make sure is that player a new player. Like this. Okay. After that, namun menampilkan selamat, Anda mendapatkan poin 1000. So it will be if pemain equal iya, and then print selamat, Anda mendapatkan poin 1000.
Huh?
Namun jika bukan pemain baru, berarti they have else this. So namun jika bukan pemain baru, maka akan diminta untuk memasukkan poin yang pemain miliki. So in this else, we should have input point because this is number we should add in. After that, jika pemain memiliki poin 0 sampai 500, nah ini it should be inside the else. Jadi harus sejajar kayak gini. If point more than 0 and point less than 500, print rookie. So it will be like ini disebut dengan bersarang. Kenapa? Karena di dalam else ini ada if else lagi. But you can also add in here, for example, if and then if again. Okay?
Okay.
This kind of if or nested if is suitable for complex condition. Cocok untuk kondisi-kondisi yang kompleks. I will include my name. No. TOEFL Anda lagi. Oke, jadi dipastiin else ini punya pasangan if yang tepat. Actually, this is your question in the last lesson. Kayak bisa nggak sih, Miss? Is it possible we add if inside if like in a Scratch? And the answer is possible. Okay. Do you have question, Dicky?
No.
No? Okay. Do you ready for practice?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
You can share your screen.
So do
Back.
I skip this first or something?
You can back first and then continue to next module. In a practice.
Huh?
You can click this module and then click module this one number 2. Hmm. Best.
Oh,
If pemain equal iya, and then don't forget to add titik 2.
like
Nah,
this.
yeah, that's true. In a line 7,
Like mm,
using n, so it should a point more than 0 and point less than 500.
point like this.
No, and like this. But you should add space after 0. Add space. Nah. And then point less than
Point for
point. Call the
point.
variable again. Nah. And then less than operators like this.
Like this.
Nah, yeah, that's true. And then you should make sure that action inside if have indentation like this. So the print should have 4 space again.
Okay.
in a line 8 and in a line 10.
Huh?
Nah, yes.
Huh? And then let me just check again. I feel like there's something missing. Hmm.
Point. You should make sure that the name of the variable is consistent. So it should be point 2 using t.
Oh. Huh?
Not superset instant. Nah, you should make sure that the input it should be the data type
Integer.
should. Nah, that's true.
So it should be like. Yes, I am recording it. E N T. Sudah.
Okay, nice. Submit and continue. Do you need a clue?
No.
Okay.
Hmm. Is there a problem here?
Yeah, I will give you a clue. So if we create condition, so like if and then condition, you should make sure that your operators is comparison operators. And comparison operators, we should use double equal. Nah,
Okay.
uh,
Hmm. Oke, berarti oke. Pergi Vi. Ketik lagi kelas. I don't understand. Why is line number 13 a problem?
Okay, it's because the place. So akun baru in a line 12 it should you have too much space. Coba spasinya dihapus satu aja.
Okay.
Okay, let's try again. Okay, apakah Anda ingin membuat akun baru? Okay, good, it's finished. Now, if tidak, apakah Anda ingin membuat akun ya? Okay, submit and continue.
This is kind of long.
Okay, because it's long, I will continue to next materials in multiple brands. Biar nanti yang ini bisa kamu kerjain karena you already understand about nested if. Okay?
Okay.
Miss akan stop dulu. Terus I will share my screen again. Wait. I will give you the example about the alif. So, alif is multiple branch atau bercabang. Nah, in here we have if, and then this is condition, and then this is the action. After that, we have alif again, and also the condition. In mm, in this case, we don't have a similar code in Scratch, because in Scratch we just have like if and then if else. But if alif, if suitable for if we have so many conditions. So we can create like if, alif, kemudian action, and then alif again, and then the action.
Hmm.
Jadi mereka akan diseleksi satu persatu. Kayak kalau ini benar, so then action pertama langsung dijalanin. Alif yang terakhir nggak akan dijalanin. But if this if is false, and then the code will be running in this alif. But if this alif false, and then the code will be check this alif. And in last, we can add else. Jadi kayak else still about exception, kayak pengecualian dari if alif itu. Oke? In this assignment, buat program yang meminta 3 skor dari pemain dan menentukan skor tertinggi. Nah. So if we should have input for one like this, int input. I will make it simple about this. Score 2 and score 3. So we can use if score 1 less than score 2, and then if again 1 less than score 3, we will print like skor tertinggi is score 1. And then we add again alif, score 2, and then you can continue. Do you have a question, Vicky?
No.
No? Okay, let's continue to exercise one alif and then second alif. Okay, I will stop and then you can continue. You can share your screen again.
So I just go to alif.
Yeah, go to alif.
Okay. Assignment. Oh ya.
Okay, let's try. Friends berdua. Okay, nice. Why 3, 4, 6? Skor tertinggi 3, 4, 6. Wait.
Nomor 2 tuh?
Oh, yeah. Nah, I just confused because you don't add that titik 2. Okay, so that's already true. You can submit and continue. Okay.
Nah, 9/11. Hmm? That's odd.
This
Oh,
one, Alif, titik 2-nya should be in a last. Nah,
hmm.
make sure the input should have
19.
data type.
Oh ya. Okay, it worked.
Okay, nice. Let's try 15.
I want to try this first.
Minus point is not valid. Nah. How about 50?
I am a beginner.
Okay, nice. Submit and continue. Is it similar like before?
Hmm? Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. Can you check exercise 2? I think I input a wrong question. Open the assignment. Okay. And then exercise 3. Master, Pro, Rookie, and Beginner. Oh, the different thing is about the condition. Okay. But the concept is same like before. Okay. Okay. Then in here you can continue this nested and also this alif.
Okay.
After that you can click this.
Okay.
This one.
Huh?
Yeah. Click that. Oh, okay. Okay, no problem. So after this, we already finished about the material selection condition. Tomorrow we will continue to looping. Do you know what is looping,
Yes,
Diki?
I do.
What is looping? That's you know.
Repeating. Repeating.
Yeah, repeat. And Python, we have two type of looping. The first one is counted loop, and the second one is infinite loop. Actually, same like Scratch. We have repeat, but the structure it will be different. But we also have repeat, and then we have repeat until, but we don't have forever
Hmm.
because when we add, actually we can use forever, but it will make our website is down
Hmm.
because the program is running, running, running. Okay, so do you have a question about our lesson today, Diki?
No.
No?
Do I
Okay.
stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop share screen. So you can finish some of tasks in lesson 8. So it will be next week. In a Saturday, we will have a project, and then you will get your report. Okay. Okay. Thank you for coming in today, Dicky. Do you have a question before I close this class? And we will meet again tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
No.
No? Okay then. Thank you, Dicky. See you.
See you. Okay, Diki. Let's do my assignment. Wait, you were watching? You were watching? Oh. But you do know you could watch it on the live YouTube thing.